Give your Silverado Sierra the perfect blend of performance, protection, and style from rough country. Increase ground clearance for on- and off-road obstacles. Durable forged torsion bar adjuster keys, maintain smooth, factory-like ride. Easy at-home bolt-on installation supported by RC. Backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty. Get that killer level look and run up to 32 tires with our 2-leveling suspension kit for $99,06,1500. This torsion bar leveling kit features a set of durable forged torsion keys that level the front of your truck with the rear. Forged torsion keys are much stronger than cast, and ours are ready to stand up to the elements and take whatever you can dish out. Installation is a cinch, so you'll be ready and rolling in no time. Top reviews from the United States. Angle grinder. The old keys had lots of rust, heating and beating would not work, so I used a angle grinder, cut a slot in them, then used a air chisel in the slot, they come right out.